Hey guys, this is Acura TSX 2005 model. So there's a check light engine here, and we want to check why there is a check light. And also the customer or the car owner actually complained about the car consuming a lot of fuel, like it consumes a lot of fuel. So we have a scanner here, a diagnostic scanner. This is a launch pilot scan. So we want to run the diagnosis and see what is wrong with the vehicle. So hold on, as I plug, let me plug it to the port. Okay, it's actually located. Come down it here. Look for it. Oh, okay, is it here? Okay, I've plugged it. So it's time for the diagnosis to. Sorry, so it's actually trying to read the VIN, scanning it. Okay, it might really take a while. Okay, so this is the VIN, this Acura TSX 2005 model, which is correct. Yeah, then which of the country? Yeah, I think it's Japan. Yes, it's Japan. Okay, let's hold on while it's finished reading, then we can. Okay, like the record print, everything, the details of the engine and the car, which is correct. Okay, this checking will take some time. Do you want to execute this test? Okay, let's continue. So the engine is not running. The ignition should be on, but the engine should not be running. Currently the engine is running, but we have to turn it off and switch on the ignition. Okay, now the ignition is on, the car is not running, so we run the diagnosis. Okay, remember the engine is not running. You can see everything is 0 0. So it's scanning. Okay, every fault code, but it's still scanning. So let's wait until it finishes scanning, then we can move on. It's still scanning. Just hold on while it finishes scanning so that we can see it's still loading here. You can see it's still loading. It's also a screen touch, even if it has control button. So let's hold on while it finishes scanning. Sorry it's taking so much time, but yeah, it's done. So in case if you want to share, like, this is the feature that this scanner has, I can easily share this to my email. Yeah, I can share it to my email, then just share it directly to my email to have a record. I can just send because my email is already there. So it's sending. It has been sent. So let's go back to the diagnosis. So look at the error code P0341, which is the CMP sensor, A and CKP sensor, incorrect phase detected. Then we have the P2195 oxygen sensor, air fuel sensor, air fuel sensor, which is signal 1 stock in. So we are going to check right now. We can easily how good this diagnosis is. In case if you are just using it, you can from here check. Then from here we have until we have ECM relation failure. Okay, there's PCM relation failure. We check that. Then open the left side seat belt. That is the airbag. Then the body electrical system. So the main, because what the clients complain about is that the car consumes a lot of fuel. It consumes a lot of fuel. So definitely we're going to check this oxygen sensor. This we can click enter in case if you just want to research about the code. You can click enter, then we can check the fault code. But before we check it, let us read the data stream. Let's read data stream. So click on data stream. Let's select manually. We have what is it called, H2. Okay, we take this, anything that has to do with the oxygen sensor, we take it. So read the data stream. Let's see which is not actually reading very well. So I don't know, just come. Okay, I think that is all we have for the oxygen sensor. Okay, then let's click on air fuel issue as well. Then let's check this up as well. Then let's read the data stream. Okay, like these ones are reading, but HO2 oxygen sensor, air fuel, that is sensor 1 ETA is off. Then oxygen sensor bank 2 ETA current, which is not available. How is this possible? So these are the major faults we have here. Look at it. So HO2 sensor 2 ETA is on. HO2 sensor bank 1 sensor 2 ETA current is working, is reading. The ampere is reading, the volt is reading, but the ampere of HO2 bank 2 sensor 2 ETA current, the ampere is not reading, it's not available. So I think this is actually an electrical fault. We have to trace the wire. Then we have the HO2 air flow sensor is currently off, it's not reading at all. So that is sensor 1. We have to check the sensor 1. So let's go back to the code and see which of the sensor, how we can know the right sensor. So now we can click enter again. Just follow up. We click enter again. Why this? Because my diagnosis is actually connected to the internet, you can see. So I want to check. Let's check read fault code. Let's check it. Read current DTC. So this are the current problem we have. This is totally green. This is not working. The airflow sensor, the signal is stuck lane. So what are we going to do? For a better understanding, we can just check it directly from here on the internet. You get? So this is the code, and this is Acura TSX. Also, what is it called? Honda product. You get? So this is the code. We can decide to check any of these. Okay, without wasting our time, let me just look for the easy one. Let's check this. I'm not here to play any video for you, but it is better so that you can see. But this is just how to diagnose it. Now, 2009 Lincoln MKS. So we can fast forward, I guess, so that we see. Anyway, this is just how you can get to know which of the sensor, or you can just browse about it. But I'm still going to show you which of the sensor. Just hold on while I drive this vehicle to the pit and I check. So sorry for the noise. I will have to drive this car to the pit so that I will show you the sensor, the airflow sensor that is actually off, the one that is not reading. Okay, just hold on. I will have to pause this video and continue. See you soon.
Hey guys, I ran a diagnostics test on this Acura TSX 2005 model. I came across this highlighted code, the CMP sensor, incorrect phase detected. So first of all, I checked the sensor to confirm if the sensor was good, and I made sure that it was replaced. But this code still persists. So we have to open the engine to check if the timing of this engine was correct. So right now, hold on as we open the engine.
For the incorrect phase detected, so we actually open the engine to confirm the timing, but we realize that the timing here is incorrect. One of the tooths is one time out of timing, a tooth out of timing. So we're going to time this for, we're going to correct the timing so that we can sort out that incorrect phase, that is camshaft position sensor incorrect phase detected. We are going to solve that issue.
So whenever you see this P0341 code, make sure you check the camshaft position sensor and also check the engine timing. Right now, I'm going to show you a report of a diagnosis after I retimed the engine. Welcome back, guys. So sorry I could not video record the moment while I was trying to diagnose to check if the error code was still there, but this is just the history after we correct the timing of the engine. So this is the history. I'm going to click on it's under Acura TSX, like I said. So then I'll go to history. Now this is all. That code has been cleared. What we really have is the airflow mixture, which is the oxygen sensor. So whenever you have such code incorrect phase detected, make sure you check the timing of the engine after you have checked the sensor or replaced the camshaft position sensor. So you check the timing of the engine if it's correct, and if it's not correct, just time it. The code will disappear by itself. So for this oxygen sensor code, we are just going to check first of all. We want to check because it said stock lane. That is sensor 1 signal stock lane. So first of all, we are going to check if there is current flowing through that socket. So if there's a current flowing through the socket, we are going to check if there's a catalyst inside the exhaust system. If there is a catalyst inside the exhaust system, then all we have to do is to replace the oxygen sensor. Don't forget to like this video and share to others so that they can also learn. Thank you.